For centuries, humans have looked up at the night sky, searching for answers. But what if I told you that some of those answers are more shocking than we ever imagined?
Well, I think these pictures are spectacular. They're breathtaking. And you realize there's a whole universe out there that we have not seen, even with the Hubble Space Telescope. This telescope, the Webb, is 100 times more powerful than the Hubble Space Telescope.
Wow.
And if you look at these pictures, you see each dot represents a galaxy of 100 billion stars.
The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just looking deeper into space. It's looking back in time, uncovering secrets that challenge everything we thought we knew.
Every image is a new discovery, and each will give humanity a view of the universe that we've never seen before.
This image, as we're looking at it, what we're seeing is not just all the galaxies, but there's a cluster here. And, there's so much detail here. We're seeing these galaxies in a way that we've never been able to see before.
Some of its discoveries confirm our theories, but others, they defy logic. They reveal galaxies that shouldn't exist, planets without stars, and cosmic forces more powerful than we ever imagined. Are we on the brink of a revolution in astronomy? Let's dive into the other side of the universe. Number 1. The Lost Worlds. Planets are supposed to orbit stars. At least, that's what we always believed. But the James Webb Space Telescope has revealed something unexpected. Entire populations of rogue planets, massive worlds floating alone in space with no parent star. How did they end up this way? Scientists have two main theories. Either these planets were violently ejected from their solar systems due to gravitational interactions, or they formed on their own in isolated regions of space. Even more intriguing, some of these planets might have thick atmospheres to trap heat, or even subsurface oceans beneath icy crusts, kept warm by internal heat. This raises an exciting question. Could life exist on a world without a sun? If these planets have the right conditions, they might support alien ecosystems in ways we never imagined. The telescope's discoveries are changing our understanding of planetary formation and survival. These lost worlds challenge everything we thought we knew about planets, and hint that the universe may be filled with far more strange and unexpected places than we ever dreamed. Number 2. The Super Jupiter. In a groundbreaking discovery, Webb's telescope has analyzed the atmosphere of a rogue planet, a super Jupiter, drifting alone in space without a parent star. This challenges traditional models of planetary formation, suggesting that planets can form in isolation or be ejected from their original systems. The telescope's observations of this exoplanet show a thick, swirling atmosphere full of methane, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Since it doesn't orbit a star, scientists aren't sure how it stays warm, but its high temperature suggests something is heating it from within. This raises interesting questions. Could rogue planets have molten cores or even hidden oceans beneath their surfaces? Scientists think these wandering planets may form from space collisions, gravitational forces, or failed stars. With each new rogue planet the telescope discovers, the mysteries of the cosmos deepen, challenging everything we know about how worlds form, survive, and journey alone through the endless dark. Number 3. A star system being born. James Telescope has captured stunning images of a young star system in the process of forming, giving astronomers an up-close look at how stars and planets come to life. By studying these early stages, scientists can uncover clues about how planetary systems, including our own, take shape, and what conditions might allow life to emerge elsewhere in the universe. In this star-forming region, the telescope observed vast, swirling disks of dust and gas, the raw materials needed to build planets. Within these disks, signs of newborn planets, or protoplanets, were detected, providing strong evidence for how planets gradually form through a process called accretion. Even more fascinating, astronomers found complex organic molecules in the surrounding gas, hinting that the building blocks of life might exist long before planets fully take shape. Adding to the drama, powerful jets of ionized gas were seen shooting out from the young star, suggesting dynamic interactions between the forming planets and their sun. This breathtaking glimpse into a developing solar system is rewriting our understanding of how planets, including ones that could one day support life, come into existence. With the telescope's incredible ability to peer into the cosmic past, we are witnessing the birth of worlds in ways we never have before. Number 4. The Milky Way's supermassive black hole. For the first time in history, Webb Space Telescope has spotted glowing flashes from Sagittarius A star, the giant black hole at the center of our galaxy. These stunning images reveal how the black hole interacts with its surroundings, helping scientists understand its incredible power. By capturing bright flares and fast flickers of light, the telescope has given us the clearest view yet of matter swirling toward the black hole's edge, the point where nothing can escape. The findings show that strong magnetic fields help control how the black hole pulls in or pushes out material. Surprisingly, the telescope found hidden patterns in swirling gas and dust, revealing chaotic movements never seen before. It proves black holes aren't just cosmic vacuums, they also unleash energy that sculpts their surroundings. This is a rare window into one of the universe's most formidable forces. Number 5. Mapping star formation in the Phoenix Galaxy Cluster. The Space Telescope has created a detailed map of star formation in the Phoenix Galaxy Cluster, one of the biggest and brightest clusters in the universe. By studying this massive cosmic structure, astronomers are uncovering new secrets about how stars are born in extreme environments. Normally, galaxy clusters slow star formation, but the Phoenix cluster breaks that rule. Observations show gravitational forces smashing huge gas clouds at high speeds, sparking bursts of new stars. Even more surprising, streams of cold gas fuel non-stop star birth. This overturns old theories predicting a slowdown in star formation within clusters. These discoveries reshape our understanding of galaxy evolution and may reveal how the universe behaved billions of years ago, when galaxies first emerged. Is the telescope rewriting the cosmic script? Number 6. The James Webb Space Telescope's space images on U.S. stamps. The telescope is changing the way we see the universe, and now its incredible images are making their way into everyday life, on U.S. postage stamps. For the first time, these breathtaking views of space are being turned into stamps, letting people send a tiny piece of the cosmos with every letter. These stamps showcase the telescope's most breathtaking finds: giant nebulae, remote galaxies, and intriguing exoplanets in extraordinary detail. They symbolize pivotal moments in exploration, delivering cosmic wonders to our mail. More than captivating art, they inspire curiosity and remind us of our unquenchable urge to explore. NASA hopes they spark young minds and nurture tomorrow's space pioneers. With the telescope's images now part of pop culture, space exploration feels closer than ever. And now, with just a stamp, you can hold a little piece of the universe in your hands. Number 7. Ghostly layers of dust. When we think of dust, we picture something ordinary, something to wipe away. But in space, dust is anything but ordinary. It's the foundation of everything we know: stars, planets, and even life itself. Without cosmic dust, there would be no Earth, no oceans, no air, and no us. The James Webb Space Telescope has captured never-before-seen details of these delicate, swirling layers of interstellar dust and gas. These dust particles come from the explosions of dying stars, scattering essential elements like carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen across the universe. Over millions of years, this dust clumps together, forming planets, moons, and possibly the conditions needed for life to emerge. Here's what's more intriguing. The telescope reveals dust isn't just floating freely. It shapes galaxies, powers star formations, and contains complex organic molecules, the seeds of life. Scientists think these could have helped spark life on Earth. So here's the big question. If these life-forming ingredients are scattered across the cosmos, could life be far more common than we ever imagined? Are we just one of many planets where the dust came together in just the right way? Number 8. The telescope just found a baby galaxy. Imagine looking back in time when the universe was just a few billion years old. That's exactly what NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has done. Scientists have just discovered the first actively forming galaxy that's as lightweight as the early Milky Way. This is a game changer. Galaxies in the early universe were expected to be chaotic and massive, but this one, dubbed Little Red Dot, is surprisingly small yet rapidly forming new stars. Using the telescope's powerful infrared vision, astronomers spotted this galaxy over 9 billion light-years away, meaning we're seeing it as it was when the universe was less than 5 billion years old. What's mind-blowing is that this discovery helped scientists understand how galaxies like our Milky Way grew over time. The galaxy is rich in gas, the key ingredient for star formation, and is assembling stars at a rate much faster than expected. It challenges previous theories that small galaxies in the early universe couldn't sustain such rapid growth. So, what does this mean? It suggests that galaxies like our own may have formed earlier and in ways we never imagined. This is just the beginning. The telescope is rewriting cosmic history. Number 9. A hidden universe inside the Flame Nebula. The Flame Nebula, a glowing cloud of gas and dust in the Orion constellation, has remained a mystery for years because thick cosmic dust blocked our view. But now, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope's powerful infrared vision, we can finally see inside, revealing a bustling nursery of newborn stars. These discoveries are shaking up what we thought we knew about how stars form, giving scientists fresh clues to study. Even more exciting, the telescope found complex organic molecules inside the nebula, which could be early building blocks for life. By studying how these young stars interact with their surroundings, astronomers are gaining a clearer picture of the conditions needed for stars to take shape. The telescope also spotted jets and energy bursts from these baby stars, proving that places like the Flame Nebula are not just star factories. They might also be the birthplaces of future planets. With these stunning findings, the telescope is rewriting what we know about how stars are born from the cosmic dust clouds. Number 10. Blood-soaked eyes. Far out in space, two galaxies are crashing into each other, and NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and Hubble have captured it all in breathtaking detail. This pair of galaxies, glowing a deep red, has been nicknamed the blood-soaked eyes because of their eerie appearance. But what's really happening here is even more dramatic. As these galaxies collide, their powerful gravity pulls and stretches them, creating a cosmic tug-of-war. Huge clouds of gas smash together, sparking the birth of countless new stars. The red glow in the image comes from hydrogen gas, which lights up when new stars form. But the telescope has spotted even more. Dense dust clouds and young stars hidden within the chaos, helping scientists understand how galaxies grow and change. Why does this matter? Because galaxy collisions like this have shaped the universe, including our own Milky Way. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with the Andromeda Galaxy in a similar event. Studying these cosmic crashes helps us predict what might happen to our galaxy in the future. The blood-soaked eyes are more than just a stunning image. They are a window into the violent, ever-changing nature of space, where destruction and creation go hand in hand. The telescope is showing us that the universe is alive, constantly evolving, and full of surprises. Where do we go from here? With every groundbreaking discovery, the James Webb Space Telescope is rewriting what we thought we knew about the universe. But with each answer, even more questions arise. Are we missing something fundamental? Could our entire model of cosmology need an upgrade? One thing is clear: our understanding of the universe is still just beginning. What do you think? Could dark matter be something entirely different than we imagined? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss. And if you want to keep up with more mind-blowing space discoveries, make sure to subscribe to Space Aquarius.